Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the principle of duality. The principle of duality is the most frequently used property of Boolean algebra. Two Boolean expressions are said to be dual if the new relation obtained by interchanging all the and the or operations and ones and zeros in the original equation, the variable names and the complements remaining unchanged is valid. That is, if we are given any relation, then to obtain its dual, we will interchange the and the or operations, and we will replace all the ones by zeros and all the zeros by ones. But in doing so, the names of the variables and their complements should remain unchanged. Then the new relation, which is obtained by interchanging the and the or operations and the ones and the zeros in the original equation, is called the dual of the original equation. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Let us consider the relation b dot 0 is equal to 0, and we have to find the dual of this equation. So we will interchange this and operation with an or operation, and we will interchange this 0 by 1. So the new relation obtained after replacing the and by or and the 0 by 1 is b plus 1 is equal to 1. We have replaced the and operation by or operation, and we have replaced the 0 by 1. This 0 has also been replaced by 1. So the new relation which has been obtained by interchanging the and operation with or operation and the zeros by ones, this relation is called the dual of this equation. Now let us take another example. Here we are given an XOR operation, that is A XOR B is equal to A complement into B plus A dot B ka complement. Now the dual of this equation will be obtained by interchanging all the AND operations with OR operations, all the OR operations by AND operation, all the zeros by ones and ones by zeros. But in this expression there is no 0 and 1. So we will just replace this OR operation with a AND operation. And similarly this AND is replaced by OR. Similarly this OR is replaced by AND. So the new relation which is obtained by interchanging the and the or operations is A XNOR B is equal to A complement plus B into A plus B complement, and this is the XNOR operation. So this expression is the dual of this expression. Now let us take some Boolean relations and let us find their duals. So as you can see here, we are given some Boolean expressions and their corresponding duals are shown side by side. So if we want to find the dual of A dot B, then we will just replace the and by or. So the new expression which is obtained after replacing the and by or is A plus B. So A plus B is the dual of A dot B. Similarly, in the next relation or next expression, we are given A plus 0 is equal to A. So its dual will be equal to A dot 1 is equal to A. That is, we have replaced 0 by 1 and we have replaced the plus symbol by dot symbol. That is, we have replaced the or by and operation. Similarly, B dot 0 is equal to 0 can be written as B plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is the dual of this. Similarly, if we want to find the dual of this relation, then it will be obtained by simply replacing all the dot by plus symbol. So this expression is the dual of this expression. Similarly, if we want to obtain the dual of this relation, then we will simply replace this dot by plus symbol, and this plus symbol has been replaced by dot. Again, this dot is replaced by plus symbol, and this plus is replaced by dot symbol. So this is the dual of this expression. Now the next expression is a plus a dot b is equal to a. So its dual will be a dot a plus b is equal to a. Now this can be written, the dual of this relation will be a dot a complement plus b will be equal to a dot b. And the dual of this relation a plus b complement is equal to a complement dot b complement will be equal to, we will replace this plus symbol by dot symbol. So its dual will be a dot b complement will be equal to a complement plus b complement, because here there is a dot. So we'll replace this dot by plus. That is, we are replacing the AND operation by OR operation. And here we are replacing the OR operation by AND operation. So it is now clear that the dual of any relation can be obtained by simply interchanging the AND operations by OR operations, all the OR operations by AND operation, and also interchanging all the zeros by ones and all the ones by zeros in the original relation. So the new relation which is obtained after doing all these is known as the dual of the original expression. So from these examples, it is also clear that the product of sums form is the dual of the sum of the products form. So in this expression, we find that this is the sum of products form. The individual terms are the products and this is the sum. So this is the sum of products form. And the dual of this expression will be obtained by interchanging this AND with an OR, that is dot with a plus symbol, and all the OR by AND symbol. So this relation which is obtained by interchanging the AND by OR and OR by AND is called the dual of this relation. So this is the sum of products form and this is the product of sums form. So we can say that the product of sums form is the dual of the sum of products form. Hope that this principle of duality is clear to all of you and you will be able to obtain the dual of any given Boolean expression.